In this video we are going to teach you how to capture and restore data when replacing an ECU on a 2008 Chevy Silverado using the X431 throttle. First, select Diagnose. Select GM. Confirm the software version and select OK. Select Automatically Search. Confirm VAN and select Yes. Confirm Vehicle and select Yes. Select System Selection. Select No. Select Auto HVAC. Select Under 8600 GVW. Width APO Z95. Width versus is APO JL4. Select ECM. Select Special Functions. Select Capture and Restore Data. System info asterisk, please read asterisk and select OK. Data capture complete, select OK to continue. Once complete, select OK. And that's how to capture and restore data when replacing an ECU on a 2008 Chevy Silverado.